Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2014 Kubota BX2370 subcompact tractor with the LA243 quick attach loader, the RCK 60-23BX belly mower deck. This tractor has 576 hours on it and it is in very, very nice condition and it is ready to go to work. We've changed out all the filters and oils, went over this tractor, there's no oil leaks. It's a very nice running, working tractor. We're going to start here right underneath the hood, take you completely around the tractor. Bear with us here today. We have a stand-in helping us do some videos. Matthew is out today, who normally helps me do videos. So under the hood, going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. And again, we have done a complete and full service with all OEM Kubota filters and oils. Someone did add a hood-mounted LED light here. We did leave it on there because it is operational and it does work. A couple of just normal scratches on the hood, but other than that, the tractor has some scratches all over the machine, typical of the year and the hours, but still a very good condition. Front grill guard, 48-inch front bucket, cutting edge is in excellent shape. It's going to have the R4 tires on it. 60-inch belly mower deck is in good shape, leaving over it. Typical belt covers here get little marks in them from the pulleys because they are a plastic cover. We did put brand new ones on it. Tires are going to be 75%. Does have the folding roll bar. Does have the open compartment there in the back seat. Does have the better seat. That is the fully adjustable seat. Category 1 3-point hitch. Linkage arms, everything there is in very good shape. 540 PTO. Factory top link is in place with it. I'll have you come to this side. I'll head to this side. Seat's in good shape. There is one small mark on it right here. Small little spot. Doesn't affect anything. We want everybody to understand that and know that. Coming up here to the hours, the 70 series has the updated dash and a little different seating area and things. 576 on the hours. You have your tachometer here, fuel and hour meter and temperature right there in the gauge cluster. Over here you're going to have PTO selection, PTO in and out, adjustment for your mower deck, high-low range, 4-wheel drive. I'm going to go ahead this time, start this tractor up. We're going to run around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. a nice Kubota BX2370 tractor. Has a couple scratches on it, but it's a very good running working tractor. We've been completely over it. Everything works very well. Again, it is serviced. It is ready to go to work. There's no oil leaks. R4s, tires, 60-inch deck, LA243 loader, 576 hours. Good tractors like this right now are hard to find. A new one's bumping the door $20,000 a day. It's hard to believe that, but that's where we're at in this current market. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. If we can help you in any way, check our website. Just give us a call at 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking us out. Have a great day.